There are four types of bill of materials. There's assembly, sales, production, and template. Today we will be breaking down the production bill of materials as well as going over the production order process. Let's look at the bill of materials for a printer. Here you can see the components that go into each item and the quantity of each component to create an item. Here you will see the warehouse number, which is the origin of each component, and the issue method is backflush, which means upon completion, each item will be issued automatically. Now let's open up a production order. As you can see, the status is set to planned. The manufacturing process does not begin until the production order is changed to release. We'll enter in the product number, as you can see, the components from the bill of materials appears in the production order with the quantity required in each item. Let's set the planned quantity to 5. You also have the option of linking the production order to a sales order. The customer from the sales order is automatically defaulted in the customer column. We'll set the due date to today. If you take a look at the quantity available, it shows the quantity of the components in each warehouse. The issue method is set to backflush because that was what the bill of materials was set to. We are now ready to add the production order. Now let's take a look at the previous production order. As you can see, after adding the production order, the available quantity of component items in each warehouse has dropped. Our next step is going to be to change the status of planned to released in order to move to the next step of the manufacturing process. Now let's take a look at what happens when you change the status of the production order to complete. Right-click on the mouse pad, report completion, and the receipt from the production order appears. Now as you can see, only the finished good appears in the receipt from production. The quantity planned is 5, and there's 2 types that you can choose from, complete or reject. Now reject means that the order is still processed, however there are damaged goods. We're going to want to choose complete. Add. The next step will be to change the status of the production order from released to closed. Now you have to be careful because once you make this change, you'll be unable to go back and make any other changes. Now let's look at the changes in the production order now that it's closed. Go to the Summary tab. Now if you click on the link arrow in the actual component cost, it does show the changes in the inventory for each component in the finished good, and it will show the cost of each component in the finished good. If you go to actual product cost, it'll show the finished good and the quantity plan that was created. You can also look at the general remark, which was automatically created. As you can see, there was a 0 debit and 0 credit since this was an internal process. I hope this bill of materials production video was helpful to you. Thank you very much for your time, and if you have any further questions, you can email me at tone@pioneerb1.com or come visit us at our website at www.pioneerb1.com. Thank you.